Hello guys, it's Chris here from the School of Embodiment, and today I'm going to teach something a little bit different. So I think I've only spoken about this once on the channel before, but this is a technique to help you regulate your overactive nervous system, and it is called the lower Dantian point. So I learned this on a retreat with an amazing Advaita Zen teacher called Adyashanti when he was running retreats here in the UK. And straight away I started feeling into this place within my body. And it really has an effect, and I'm feeling it now. Right now, it really has an effect of bringing down and regulating the central nervous system. So this point is about 4 fingers below the belly button and about 4 fingers in towards the spine. So with your attention, you place your attention 4 fingers below the belly button and 4 fingers in towards the spine. And you just rest your attention there. 2 or 3 inches down from the belly button and 2 or so inches in. And right now, I'm resting my attention there. And in doing this, very simple practice, without straining or fighting or trying to achieve anything, just simply resting attention, 4 fingers down and 4 fingers in giving our attention to this space. You may feel something inside begin to relax. And another wonderful thing that you can do when practicing this is to, as well as being aware of this point, is to notice the breath there. Notice the very subtle wave-like motion of the breath in the lower belly. 4 fingers down and 4 fingers in towards the spine. Sometimes I'll get up in the mornings. I won't have much time to meditate. I just got to get straight in my car, drive to work. And as I'm driving to work, I'm just allowing my attention to be here in the lower Dantian point. Gently breathing. Gently being in this area of the body. Now, if you get a sense of this with me now, this relaxation or peace that can come online when in this part of the body, don't try to force your attention to stay there. Instead, just simply enjoy being. Simply enjoy being here. If you have thoughts moving through, that's completely okay. Don't try to change them. If you have feelings, don't try to change them. Any trying to change our thoughts or change our feelings only makes them worse. You are okay to be exactly the way that you are. Allow your conditioned self to be exactly the way that it is, just for this moment. And allow yourself to sink, guided by this lower Dantian point. A few inches down and a few inches in from the navel. There's a kind of sweet peace that may start to come online for you when you rest here. And at first you may just feel a tiny little subtle shift in your way of being. It might not be anything miraculous, anything to write home about. It might just be a little subtle shift. But that's it. Lots of people on the path, they want a big release, a big experience, to be suddenly enlightened, suddenly relaxed, suddenly to have released all our pain. But actually, what we should be looking for is just these micro little shifts in the way that we are experiencing life through whatever practice. And if there's just the tiniest little difference through doing it, or if there's a big difference, whatever, but if there's just the tiniest little difference, then you're going in the right direction. And these tiny little shifts of experience are what guide us back home. So yeah, keep going, my friends. I hope you enjoy that one. Thank you.